Hi and welcome back to Mr. Systems. Today I'll show you what Ninite is. Well, Ninite is a free website that you can go to and install your favorite programs. Ninite always keeps the software, the programs in here up to date, as it says here. It has bots that search out what is the newest version of their programs. So what this does is that you can omit going to separate websites to download their individual product, because Ninite have them all in here. So let's say you would like to have Google as your web browser, you would like to have Steam for your games on your PC, you would like to have TeamViewer as a utility. You can just click these three, then you can go down to get your Ninite, and then you will have them in one installation packet. And then you can use it on your own computer. You can transfer this download package to a USB and use it on another computer if that's what you would like. So yeah, it's a very nice tool. And now I would like to show you how this works. So in my example, I would like to get PuTTY and WinDirStat. When I've chosen the individual programs I would like to get, I click on Get Your Ninite, and I'll wait for the exit file to be ready. And then you click the exit file. It differs on how much time it takes to download it. Now it's two simple programs, so it shouldn't take long, as you could see. And now I have got the two software that I just got, or programs, whatever you call it, and they're right there. That's how easy it is to download these things from Ninite. And yeah, that was about Ninite. It's a very simple website. You just go to and then you pick out the programs that you would like to have, and then boom, you have it in one installation packet, and you're off to a good start by just omitting going to each and individual page to download. Instead of, you could just go to Ninite and you can have it all in one packet. So yeah, I hope this video has been informative, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.